I'm in the embroidery sewing studio today, but this afternoon I decided to go ahead. I had my lye water like cooling down, and I am going to make our hope bars today. So this is the technique I'm doing today is going to be in the pot swirl. It's to me, one of the easiest techniques to do, especially when you're starting your soap making journey. And I've been on that journey for a while and I still use that technique. I find it so easy and the results are always amazing to me. So continue watching and we're trying to grow this channel. So subscribe, comment, and let me know if there's anything you want me to show on this channel. All right, thanks for watching. It is Sunday evening and I'm getting ready to make hope, which is lemongrass and ginger. I have my oils all melted. All the hard oils and the soft oils are together. In here is olive oil, coconut oil, palm oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, and castor oil. I have my essential oil blend of ginger and lemongrass. That's what hope is. And I have my lye water over here, which is at 95 degrees. I've got my activated charcoal, my yellow raincoat, maniacal pea, and my titanium dioxide. Those are the 4 colors in hope. So let's get started. I'm doing it in the pot swirl. Just find it easier. The last 2 batches I did for hope that's the technique I used. So that's what we'll be doing today. I'm going to get my containers. Sorry about that. So I need, the majority of the batch is yellow. So I need a container for my green, my black, and my white. So I'll just go grab those. So I got everything. I got my spatulas, got my containers, my colorants. I'm just going to stir in my lye water. I'm just going to get this going together before hitting it with the stick blender, because ginger does sometimes want to speed up. So the less agitating I do with the immersion blender, the calmer this is going to go. We hope. So I got that pretty emulsified, and what I'm going to do is stir in my essential oils, that blend right here. Because I'm doing colorants, it's going to get mixed in even better when I hit it with the blender. So we're going to get these colors poured out. And we'll do our white. We'll do our green. course, I gotta make a spill. And we'll do our black. I don't need that much black. It's just like really an accent. Maybe a little bit more. Let's take some of this green. So, like I said, yellow is the one with the most. That's the one that's in the pot. Yellow. I cover back over the micas because I remember spilling that. It was not a good feeling. We're going to pour in our white. And this is our black. Get these things out the way. So we're going to mix up the lightest color first, which is the white. Yeah, just make a mess. Mix up our yellow. We never put the green in here, so let's do the green. Stick blender, so I have a cup in the sink that I dump this in. All right, so I make sure I stir it, and in case there's anything that's not mixed up. So that's our black. I find like with the in the pot swirl, when things are a little thick, that the colors kind of like stay together. Here's our white. And the green. The greens get thick. Okay. So what I do in the pot swirl, we're gonna get the black in there. I go high and low, and I'm doing that in high and low in one spot, surface over here, surface over here, and I leave a little back for the top. Now for the contrast, I'll do the white behind the black. High and low in those same spots. Little surface, surface, surface in the middle, and a little back for the top. Now let's do this green. A little bit in the middle. Left for the top. Now I take my spoon. Make sure you can see. Yeah, you can see. I stick it in the middle. I'll go around one time with those colors, come back to the middle. So now we're going to pour this into the mold. Easy peasy. Get out any air bubbles. But we're gonna get the rest of this out of here without mixing it up so much. I don't do a lot of black because it is very powerful and it will take over all the other colors. But these, I've always made hope with these 3 colors, 4 colors, but it's the color of the Jamaican flag. Someone pointed that out to me. I guess these things stay in your mind because it has to be in my mind for me to pick these colors. But I didn't set out and say, I'm going to make this the color of the Jamaican flag. It just turned out that way. All right, so I'm going to get the black down in the middle. This is how I prepare for sculpting the top. Green down. Green is going to be on the side. Because as I'm sculpting, the green is going to pull up some of the yellow underneath. It's a method to the madness. And Hope is one of the wholesale bars. So I restock and make sure I have at least 75 in stock. And this would be the last of the 75. Now the white is going to go on the other side. So that will pull up some of the yellow. And it's just perfect consistency for sculpting the tops right here. Get the sculpting going. Ah, perfect. So it's pulling up some yellow, some black. So this side of the bar would be those colors. And then when I turn it around, the dominant color will be the white. That's my second sculpt to make the little tails, but also to even out the side of the bar. Now we're going to flip her around. Now we just go in with the second swoop. So it creates a little contrast, and then you see all the colors. You got the white, you got the green, the yellow, the black. And that's what makes up the whole bar. I'm so glad to be finished with this scent now. Spritz it down with some alcohol and we are done. I will cut her in 48 hours.